Perfect. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to this instance of the Antrea community meeting. Today is Tuesday, December the 6th. Well, if you live in the United States, it will be still December the 5th for you. And for today, we only have one topic booked on the agenda, which is a demo of the Layer 7 network policy feature from Hongliang. And then, it will be open discussion. Feel free to bring up every topic that you might have on your mind. I will stop talking now, and I will hand it over to Hongliang for this demo.
Thanks, Salvador. Let's see. Okay. Could you see my screen?
Yes.
Sorry. Oh, the wrong. This one. Before the live demo, I'll share a quick view of the data path. Sorry. Is there? Could you see the OneNote page?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, thanks. Oh, I didn't see. Oh, I thought I have shared the wrong screen. Okay. Let's take an example of Layer 7 network policy for this one. And so just a very simple Layer 7 network policy. And as we know,
to avoid confusion, I just want to mention this is the old style of API, right? Oh, sorry, my fault. I thought you are showing a separate API. Forget it.
okay. This is the example. As we know, we only extend this part. We have new value for Layer 7 like this. And as we know, for Layer 7 traffic policy, they will forward it to Suricata via Antrea type 0, and it will be returned. It will be returned from Suricata via Antrea type 1. For new and tracked packet, I have added new flow for that. In fact, I just added a if branch for the Layer 7 flow. We can see this is the ordinary. This is the normal flow. We can see like this, and this is flow for policy which has Layer 7 network policy options. Like this option is used to set the city mark. This is also a new flow to match the city mark, and it will be out, and the packet which has the city mark will be outputted to Antrea type 0. This is the process of how to processing new and tracked packet before redirecting to Suricata. Then we need to process the returned packet from Suricata for the classifier table. I also added a flow like this. This flow is used to set reg mark, and then the packet will be forwarded to Layer 7 forwarding directly to skip CT and egress related flows. Why the packet should be forwarded to Layer 7 forwarding table? The packet should be set source and destination max according to its original destination IP, and also the port output OF port number in Layer 2 forwarding calculate table. after going through these two tables, it will be set a reg mark in traffic control table, and then output it to this table. Therefore, layer 2 forwarding out the table directly to skip CT and ingress related flows directly. In summary, the returned packet don't go through any flows related to CT and the network policy. They just go through these tables. For non-new and tracked packet, we can. And this is not a new flow. This is we can see that we have load the CT packet in this drone. We can recover the CT mark from this flow. Then this CT mark will be recovered, and we also add. We can see we add a new flow to match the CT mark and output it to Antrea type 0. Then for non-new and tracked after returning from Stricata, it's the same like this one. This is the quickly overview of how the data path of Stricata in OS.
What does the reg 0 match mean here?
Reg 0, sorry.
Yeah, reg 0 equals to 100.
That's why is the we also for this we also have this reg mark for the normal flow to output the packet. I remember that it was used to mark the packet which should be output from some port.
I remember it. Yeah. I remember it means the destination mark is known, so it could be on the port. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Then we take an example about the Stricata rules. This is also an example of layer 7 network policy. Of course, this is the ingress rule. We can see it's applied to, and for it's after converting the network policy, the generated rule will be like this. We use a variable to define the IP address, since the aggressor group can be used by multiple rules. We can save a little memory maybe. We can see that for this part it will be converted like this, and this is the time for the ingress rule is the target, and for the from part, this part, it will be converted to this. For the protocol part, it will be these options, like HTTP. Okay, that's the next I'll see. We can see the demo. Okay. The demo, I have created 3 agent host port, 1 for client, 1 for server. I'll create an L7 network policy which will select the client and the server. This is the ingress rule. we can see. Let's just apply to it. Okay. Then we can see corresponding flows have been created for this one. Also, the signature has been created in Stricata. We can see like this. And this is also the address group. Okay, then we need to test the signature. Let's exercise the first pod, this pod. 0. Okay, let's start. We can see that we only allow get method and host name. Okay, we can see it was reset by the peer. And the reset packet is sent from Stricata. We have something wrong with the port. It doesn't matter. Then we can test the host name. Okay, this was okay. And we can also test something other tasks like class IP, client IP. It was also reset by the Stricata. We can test also another client which is not selected by the Layer 7 network policy. This one. And it can access any paths. Okay. The name is also okay. Client IP is okay. Okay. We also have something we can test a protocol like DNS, like DIG, something like Google at TCP. Yes, we can see it was connection reset, but we did this in this port. It's not selected by the Layer 7. You can see it's different from this one. Its response is from the agent host. It's end of the file, not the connection reset. We can prove that it can drop to non-HTTP protocols. Okay, that's the demo.
Hold on, this is egress rule or egress rule? Ingress rule or egress rule?
Ingress rule. Yes, this is ingress rule.
But why the second client could access the server if it's the ingress? What does the rule looks like?
The second port is not selected by the rule. We can see the YAML.
I wonder why it could access the server if it's not selected. Is it?
You mean?
Yeah, the right side. I remember you access the server successfully, right?
Yes.
Is it supposed to work? No, not DNS. I mean the HTTP request.
Oh yes, it's not if this client is not affected by the Layer 7 network policy, so it can access the HTTP server.
But you said the network policy is for the ingress traffic of the server, right?
Yes.
Could you share the screen of the network policy again? Okay.
Yes. We set the from.
I think this means the server only allows the first client to access the server's host name and using host name path and using get method only, and no other request should be allowed. Okay, I think I understand the problem. Maybe the phone field has scoped the traffic to should only come from the the first client only, and only that traffic will be redirected to Suricata for further evaluation. So the second client's traffic is not even passed by Suricata.
Is that we expected? In design, is that expected in our design?
I don't feel like it is like
yeah. Otherwise, how could we limit the source to be specific port?
Yeah, that's a trend. So I think this is the question I was asking on the PR, if you still remember. What we are actually using to enforce the sort of like quote unquote implicit isolation behavior of the semantics. So I was expecting something in the lines of if there's such rule present, it will have some sort of like implicit isolation rule installed on the default tables, just like the Kubernetes network policies, to basically block out other requests for any other incoming traffic. But I don't know if that's a quick solution to the problem here.
Yeah, now I get it. I think we may need to consider how this how this field what does the field means when phone and port is specified. And I feel in current implementation, it's not friendly to support a case that user want to allow only specific network peer to access their application.
Okay. Then we expected that we should only allow the client with has this label, and then destination is this one, is this label. Others like this client, others it should be blocked from other client. Is that right?
Yeah, yes, that's the only way we can limit the source, right? Otherwise, there's no other way to specify the source.
Okay, then I need to reconsider how to change the data path. Okay, I got that. And we may think about that offline for more details.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, that's all of the demo.
Cool. Thanks a lot, Liang. And do we have questions, comments, curiosity from the attendees? I'll be waiting a few seconds for your comments. Okay, it appears that that's all for this demo. So thanks a lot again, Hongliang, for preparing it, and also many thanks to all the development team that brought us this feature, Chan, Hongliang, and Chiyue. This will be probably a huge, not huge, but actually a major improvement for Antrea network policies. And so that's great that we are finally doing this. But now let's move to open discussion. So if you have any other topic that you would like to bring up, this is your moment to speak up. And I know that maybe you're shy, so I'll wait for a few seconds for topics to be proposed. Okay, it seems that probably it's all for today. So I would like to thank again our presenters, thank again all the attendees for showing up for this meeting. And I wish everyone a great day, a great afternoon, or if you are in the United States, I wish you a good night. And let's talk again in 2 weeks' time. The next community meeting will be on Tuesday, December the 20th. Thanks again for attending, and have a good one.
Bye. Have a good night.